Welcome to Saadx. For math practice, we are going to solving exponential equation. Question is 3 to the power x minus root 3 to the power x plus 4 plus 20 equals to 0. This is very important math. So first, here is 3 to the power x will be unchanged minus against a root 3 we can write 3 to the power 1 by 2 and here is times x plus 4 plus 20 equals to 0. Then 3 to the power x minus we can write this one 3 to the power 1 by 2x times 3 to the power 1 by 2 times 4 plus 20 equals to 0. Okay, then here is 3 to the power x and here is 3 to the power x by 2. So this one we can write 3 to the power x by 2 square. Look, 3 to the power x by 2 square, it means 3 to the power x by 2 times 2, it means 2 and 2 once we deduct it will become 3 to the power x, it means similar thing, minus here is 3 to the power x by 2 times 4 divided 2 is a 2, 3 square it means 9 plus 20 equals to 0. Okay, so now we have to decide a big thing, which is here is 3 to the power x by 2 and here is also 3 to the power x by 2. So we can write let 3 to the power x by 2 equals to what? Let's say a. So we can write so a square minus 3 to the power x by 2 it means a, so here is 9, it means 9a plus 20 equals to 0. So this quadratic equation we can write a square minus here is 20, so 20 if we factorize it will become 4 times 5 is a 20 and 4 plus 5 is a 9, so 5a minus 4a plus 20 equals to 0. Then we can take common a, so a and here is a minus 5 and here is minus 4, again a minus 5 equals to 0. Then we can take common here is a minus 5, a minus 5, a minus 5 and here is a minus 4 equals to 0. Now we can write either a to the power a minus 5 equals to 0, so it means a equals to 5. So a was what? 3 to the power x by 2 equals to 5. So next line we can write in here, so 3 to the power x by 2 equals to 5, we cannot make this one directly, any kinds of clarification, so we should use log. By using log, so it will become, we know a theory which is, suppose x log a to the power x, a by x equals to m, we can write a base m equals to x. So against this one, let's see, this 3 is a and x by 2 is a m and 5 is equals to x. So we can write log base will be same, it means 3, and this 5 will become here equals to x by 2. Okay, so now after cross multiplication we can write x equals to 2 log 3 5. So still we are in this either section. So this one we can write x equals to 2 times, so log 5 by log 3. Once log 5 base 3, we can write 2 times log 5 by log 3. So 2 times log 5, it means 0.699. It should approximate, and log 3 it means 0.477. So 2 times it will become 1.465, and finally we get 2 times 1.465, it means 2.930 approx. So one thing, if you want, you can keep answer in here, x equals to this one, or you can write this one, and this is for a minus 5. So what about a minus 4? Now we will find out the value of a minus 4. So from last page we can write a minus 4 equals to 0. So a equals to 4. And what about a? A means 3 to the power x by 2 equals to 4. By using log, we get, so here should be base will same, log 3, here is 4 equals to x by 2. So x means x equals to 2 times log base 3 and 4. So similar thing, we can write 2 log 4, and here is log 3. So what does mean log 4? Log 4 will be 0.602, and log 3 means 0.477. So 2. So we can write 0.602 divide 0.477, we will get 1.262, and finally we will get 2.524. So this question, x equals to 2.930 or 2.524. I hope you clear everything. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and these kinds of math you should face in the examination hall. So please subscribe my channel, because by this channel you will get lots of these types of math, and please don't forget share with others. Thank you.